Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the Auertech. If you're living in a small apartment or need a convenient laundry solution, choosing the right washing machine can be a challenge. Today, we'll dive deep into the features, pros, and cons of both models to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The WonderWash is a manual, non-electric washing machine that requires hand cranking for operation, making it ideal for those who prefer an eco-friendly options. In contrast, the Auertech is a semi-automatic electric machine that offers the convenience of a built-in drain pump and adjustable settings for washing and spinning. This difference in operation is significant when considering ease of use and the physical effort required. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the Auertech boasts a much larger capacity, with 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning. This makes the Auertech a better choice for larger households or for those who need to wash more clothes at once. Price is another important factor to consider. The WonderWash is priced at $69, making it a budget-friendly option for those who need a simple washing solution. In contrast, the Auertech is priced at $269, reflecting its larger capacity and electric operation. Depending on your budget and laundry needs, this price difference could be a deciding factor. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and Auertech portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The WonderWash is perfect for those looking for a compact, manual solution at an affordable price, while the Auertech offers greater capacity and convenience for those willing to invest more. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.